Armstrong Cricket has been the same family for 4 generations. It is a very family-oriented business that has always participated in a lot of things in this community. Here at Armstrong Cricket, our experience with Thompson Lift Truck has been second to none. It has been flawless. Every problem we've ever come up or thought we had a problem, it was still jumped on as if it was a fire going, and that's what we need, especially in this company's busy season. Our lift trucks are vital to day-to-day operations. We use them for everything.
Armstrong Cricket Farm started 78 years ago by Tal Armstrong. Tal was an avid fisherman, and so he had family picking up crickets and gathering them up. And then when he realized the reproduction, then he decided that, hey, let's try this.
We probably right now have around 18 million crickets at least on hand at this time. We have always raised the Achidia domestica cricket, but we are raising the banded along with that. And so this cricket holds up, lasts a long time, an active cricket, wonderful when it hits your box and your hook.
Hyundai has not let us down once. However, every time we've needed something, it's less than 24 hours and the technicians are here, problem solved, done. They stay on services rather than me having to call and schedule. They keep a very ticky schedule to keep our vehicle in warranty like we want it. That's what we paid for, and Thompson Lift Truck has made sure that has been provided every step of the way.